Alden ni Charlotte D. Yan ay the story ni Alden. Yung morning run dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. Yung kasama niya yung mga friend niya sa si Ate April. Kulit pa ni Alden doon sa likod. Oh. Yan na sinong. Nagkape rin sila dyan sa Arabica. 360. Insta 360. Ayan si Alden. Oh. Ayan, binibidyoan yung pagkain. Kulit ni Alden, oh. Katabi niya dyan si Ate April.
What's your favorite food?
Rice.
Rice daw, favorite ni Abiana. May kulit ni Alden dyan.
Why are you crying again?
Can you say full name?
Why are you crying again?
I'm not playing
Why
again.
are you crying again, Bella?
I'm not Dara.
Abby?
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Shorty Antrim Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah.